Hello everyone, today we are comparing the latest smartphones, the Moto G06, G06 Power and 860 Neo. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. Moto G06 and G06 Power come with IP64 rating and the 860 Neo comes with an IP68 rating. Next compare display features. 860 Neo comes with LTPO OLED display and the Moto G06 and G06 Power come with IPS LCD display. Hardware features. All three mobiles are powered by the MediaTek chipset. When it comes to the camera features, Moto G06 and G06 Power come with 50 megapixel rear cameras and the 860 Neo comes with 3 rear cameras. Let's compare the battery features. Next compare the sound and other features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.